So today we're going to do an adjusting video of him adjusting me and me adjusting him.
I'm gonna give you a little push. Beautiful. Perfect. Beautiful.
Dr. Kemp here with Oak Brook Medical Group, here with a bittersweet video for you guys. Today will be my last video, but great news. This is Dr. Mike. Dr. Mike, you can say hello.
Hello, how are you?
I've known Dr. Mike for about 2 years here. He's a great adjuster, and everyone here is going to be in great hands. And so today we're going to do an adjusting video of him adjusting me and me adjusting him. And so I'll start with you if you want to lay down right here. Dr. Mike, he does well with the drops here instead of that side posture. So we're just going to check his low back and pelvis. And we're going to get that sacrum on the right side. Table's going to pop up. We're going to set down. Perfect. And we'll move up to those mid-thoracics here. Go ahead, take a breath in. Let it all the way out. Good. And I'm going to check you like this here first.
I'm gonna give you a little push. Beautiful. Perfect.
All right, that's it for me.
Perfect.
And Mike's going to get me right on this table here.
In the same way, face down, please. Alright. So, Dr. Kemple here obviously likes the side posture and that mid back. So we're going to start in the mid back here. Take a big breath in for me. All the way out. One more. Beautiful. Land your side. Face me here, sir. Good. That wasn't good. Making this easy on me here. Alright, we're going to drop down that side. Good. Other side. A little tight in the low back. It's because Dr. Kemple does those heavy deadlifts. There we go. Face that too. Check that upper neck here. Good. Let that shoulder relax. Beautiful. And then actually kick off your shoes for me there, sir.
Yep.
And adjust those ankles. So nice and easy on the ankles. Dr. Kemp obviously does a lot of workouts, so we got to keep his feet moving.
That was great.
One more time, let that foot fall. Beautiful. Very good, sir. Come on out.
Love it. All right, that's it for us today. We'll see you guys in the next video.